This is job number SW0117A. This is an 85-ton down acting press. The press is guarded front and rear by vertical and horizontal light curtains. And additionally, on the sides of the press, there's bolted on hard guards. The press also incorporates a pneumatic ratchet safety lock to hold the press up anytime it's going in the up position. I'm going to go ahead and run the press in manual, first showing a manual cycle coming down, building tonnage, and then you have to hold the manual button to go back up. In manual, the light curtains are muted so that you could retrieve something out of the press in manual going up if need be. It only moves in slow speed. Then we're going to do an auto cycle, several auto cycles showing that the light curtains are in the circuit going up and down in auto. In manual, you're required to hold the buttons going down. If you let go of them at any point in manual, the press stops. Same with the up button in manual. You have to hold the button. If you release it, it stops. It's a manual function. In auto, we just demonstrated that the light curtains are in the circuit coming down and going up in auto. If the light curtains are broken front or rear, it will immediately stop the press, and then you have to bring the press back to the open position and restart the cycle. Also, there's an emergency stop located on the panel itself and on the palm stand for the operator. That completes SW0117-A.